On the second video, I'm gonna be a design architect, and we're gonna check here as soon as we go into the number 5 that they got several unread issues on technical document area. So we go inside that, and I notice that on civil we got some issues here. Oh, several documents to approve, to review. So let's review it. Of course, I've already got here done here. So I've got here all the documents here with the new versions, and so what I'm supposed to do here, it's really easy. I'm doing like this. The same thing happened with B Windows. So it's important, it's nice that they're showing the progress of the uploading file, the file upload. So what's the one now? It's a warning here. It says the folder contains items that's not validated yet. Sure, I just uploaded. Uploaded files here. And notice that there's no review comment here. So the first thing that I want to do here is register the information about this. Anyway, you can write it now as you want, record it. Notice that is just for the DWG, because as soon as we validate the document, the PDF is going to be incorporated to the DWG, so don't have to worry about that. And the second part is ask for validated files. What's happening here is the R02 is okay, so it's now new document. The old one moved to obsolete. Here, what's happening? I've tried to put a new version of the document that was in the approve workflow state, so it says that the document previous version is not in the state it's possible to upload new revision, so it's a mistake. So that's they check not only the code of the file, but also check the possibility of the workflow state of the previous version. So all the new versions come from review for analysis. Sorry. So there's just 2 documents here. What I need to do with them is delete them. So I can get back here and delete it, because, or ask for the coordinator move to the next step that is for review, so I'm able to review the documents. And it's done. If we gotta put an example here. That's the new version. The old version came from here. And that's it. So that's how easy it is to put a new versions on the system. I'm allowed to put on civil. If I go to the next other folders, notice that we're not allowed to set up documents in another folder, just on that folder that we are allowed to. So we get this kind of control also. So that's basic. What the second video is about how to set up issues the revision documents.